Hello. In this video we will be looking at the Profile Builder. The Profile Builder add-on can be enabled to allow you to use infer signals to segment your customer base so you can target specific demographics for marketing campaigns or personalization. Once you have the Profile Manager enabled, you can add custom profiles to your Infer portal, which will give you the ability to drill down into your leads or accounts depending on what criteria you want to look at. To use the Profile Manager, log into your Infer portal and click on the Profiles tab on the left-hand menu. Here you will see the main sub-menus for Overview, Dashboard and Use Cases. The Overview tab is where you can see all the profiles that you've already created. They are shown in a list, and here you can see the name of the profile, the size, which is how many entities fall under that profile, the type of entity that the profile is targeting, whether it's leads, contacts or accounts. The tags can be edited to give more description in the overview. The Publish tag is automatically added when a profile is live, and the conversion rate of this particular profile against the average. You also have actions, such as edit, copy or delete. In this tab you can search the profiles already created, or you can create a new profile. To create a new profile, click the button and you will see a new screen. The first thing to do is give your profile a name. The other options will become available as we go through the process. Next, click on the drop-down to select what type of entity you want the profile to target. In this instance, we will select leads. Now we get additional options to fill. Here we can select how we want to handle the attributes we want to consider in the profile. You can have it set to match all of the conditions, any of them, or none of them. Moving to the criteria themselves, you can click the drop-down menu and select from a list of attributes available. These include standard Salesforce fields, Infer score fields, and other Infer signals. For this example, we will choose the Infer signal for number of employees. You can change the operator if you want to match attributes exactly with equals, greater or less than a value, or other options. Every time you add a new condition, the section box to the right repopulates to give you a snapshot of what the profile will look like, and there is a box below which gives you a list of sample leads that would be contained in that profile. The Profile Overview gives you a preview of leads created in the past year. This is mainly because if you have a large number of leads that fall under the conditions, it would take too long to create the preview, but leads from all time are being considered. This just gives you an idea of whether the profile is worth creating and pursuing. Once the profile is saved, you can edit the date range to whatever you want. The Profile Overview shows you different categories, including the number of leads, the opportunity and win rates, the average deal size, and the average sales cycle time. If you were to go after the leads contained in this profile, the sales funnel shows you what the actual results of this profile would be. Generally, if the opportunity rate is high and the deal size is above average, then this would be a good profile to create. Once you are happy with the profile you've created, hit Save. Here you can edit the date range. If you do that and hit refresh, it will update the data shown for the profile and repopulate the reports shown below. These reports give details of the trends for any new leads, new opportunities, new wins, and new tasks. There are also a number of tabs at the top of the page. Here you can click on the Members tab to get a list of all the leads in the profile, and you can download the contact list as a CSV. The Settings tab gives you a summary of the profile details, including when it was created and last edited, and what the criteria are. When you want to push the profile to Salesforce, select Publish, and it will add a tag to the records in Salesforce with the title of the profile. Let's take a look at the Dashboard menu. In this tab, you can see an overview of the profiles that have been created. Here we have a chart showing the largest profiles, which are the profiles with the biggest number of leads. We have Movers and Shakers, which shows the profiles which have changed the most in the past 30 days, by having a lot of new leads that meet the profile or converted opportunities. There is also Underinvested Profiles, which shows any segments which could be high value, but for some reason there is no movement on the leads or records in Salesforce. The last table shows the most recently created profiles. The Dashboard tab can be really useful to get a picture of what profiles are getting the best results and the effects of any targeted campaigns. I hope you found this video on building profiles useful. Please take a look at our other videos and articles for more information.